Are you struggling with mobile data not working issue on your Samsung phone? Don't worry, here are the step-by-step solutions to fix the Samsung mobile data not working issue. So let's get started without any further delay. First, open Dialer, type *#*4636# *#*. Tap Phone Info, scroll down, just disable mobile radio power. After that, turn it back on. Now check your issues. If you still have issues, try the following process. Solution 1. Change mobile network settings. Open Settings, tap Connections, then tap Mobile Network, then tap Network Mode. Make sure to select 5G, LTE, 3G, or 2G. Now go back, tap Network Operators. Toggle on the Select Automatically. Solution 2. Turn on and off the network operators. Open Setting, tap Connection, scroll down, tap Mobile Network, tap Network Operator. Turn it off, wait for some time, after that turn it back on. After that, go ahead and check whether your issue is solved or not. If not, Solution 3. Check your software update. Go to Settings, again, scroll down, tap Software Update, then tap Download and Install. If you have any update available, then install it. Solution 4. Reset mobile network settings. Go to Settings again, scroll down, find out General Management, tap on it, scroll down again, tap Reset, scroll down, then tap Reset mobile network settings. Then tap Reset. Wait for a while. That's it. If you still have issues, try to contact with your SIM support. Hope your issue is solved. Now after that, if you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.